So Rocky doesn't want to get up, but I bet if I drop his ball on the floor, he'll get up. What do you think? Did you hear your ball? Did you go play with your ball outside? Oh, is life really that hard? Is life really that hard? You sure make it look that way. You sure make it look that way, don't you? Yes, you do. What a good boy. Go outside? Go outside? Okay, let's go. Do you want to run? Let's go out this way. This side. We're going to go out this side. All right, ready? So that's where the bunnies are back there. Rocky, look! I've got your ball. Rocky, look. Oh boy. Rocky! Rocky, no. Rocky, don't try to get out. Oh boy. Nope, we can't do that. We can't do that. No, we can't. We're gonna have to fill that. We're gonna have to fill that, aren't we? Yes, we are. Rocky, look. Rocky, you see your ball? Don't you try that. Don't you try to get through there. Say yay, Daddy came outside. Ready? Ready? Go get it.
He's like, wait, I'm confused.
Do you not understand? You don't know how to get out of the gate, do you? No, you don't. No, you don't. There you go. You gotta go get it. You gotta go get it. It's over here. Here's your red one. Do you see it? There you go. Good boy. And Chloe's over there doing whatever. Good. Come on, get it. Should we throw this back and forth? Should Daddy and I throw this to each other? Make you run for it? Ready?
You already look tired.
He is tired. He's been... Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I got it. I got it. I got it. Where's Chloe? Chloe just has, like, no care. She's like, I'm just going to walk around. It's getting windy out. I don't know if Mommy can throw it to Daddy. Ready? Uh-oh. Well, I only have one hand. Ready? Is it gonna rain again?
Yep. It's gonna burn really high. Oh, that was not even close to you.
You got it. The helicopter. Must be an accident somewhere. We both have to team up on him.
Get it.
Oh, you can easily get that.
Easy. You made that easy. He thought he was looking at you. He went and snapped.
Chloe, what are you doing, sweetie?
You forget I was there.
Ooh, I almost had it that time. I got it. Here it is. Uh-oh.
Oh, he got it. How'd you let it go?
I wasn't holding on to it very hard. Yeah. Chloe, are you not being a good girl? Did you come into Mommy's garden? Come on, go out. Out. Chloe, out. Out. You're ridiculous. I know, Mommy has to fix that, doesn't she? Mommy has to fix that. I can't let her in here because over there's a dead bunny. There's a baby bunny and it's dead and I don't want her to get it. This is what my garden looks like now. So it's getting there. Things are starting to grow. Got some pepper plants over here. And that's cucumber, tomato, tomato, tomato. We've got yellow squash, zucchini. This is like spinach and some lettuce going on. So it's probably all I'm doing this year. I usually go crazy, but I'm not going to do a whole lot this year just because being pregnant and all, I don't think I can get out here at 8 months pregnant and start picking stuff. So yeah. Daddy got it from you. Uh-oh. There he goes. Now Rocky's got it. He's all excited when he gets it. Right, buddy?
I'm gonna tease you. He puts it down so the human will try for it. Chloe, get it, Chloe.
I think he needs some water.
Chloe, get him.
Go get him, Chloe.
Get him, Chloe.
This is Chloe at full speed.
Chloe, get him. Get him. Rocky, look, Chloe. Chloe.
Hey, Rocky boy. Chloe's being not good.
Come on.
Hi, Rocky. Are you a happy boy?
There's like 7 bees over here.
I know, there's like, whenever I was up on the porch, there were a ton of bees. Chloe's bad and she goes back there. And there's like a bunch of dead plants and the lattice that used to be under my porch, and she crawls through all of it and gets stuff stuck in her fur. She knows she's not allowed to be back there, but she does it anyways, don't ya? And Rocky wants to play with his toy. Look at that tail. He's so happy. Are you happy, boy? Do you need water?
Their tongue's sticking out.
Do you want some water? You go back inside and get water? Say, I was a good boy today. I poopied and pee-peed outside. Like a good boy. That's what good boys do. I don't think we've had any accidents inside today yet.
Now where'd you go, Chloe? I think she went to the...
Are you thirsty, huh? You're thirsty? That was a lot of running, wasn't it? Yeah.
Chloe's probably thirsty too, but she's going through...
Chloe's eating an ice cube. You're eating an ice cube. You love ice cubes, don't you? Was that fun? See if there's any more eggs in there. I think there were 4 last time, right? So I made Danny a milkshake, I've got some orange juice, and now we are trying to find the answer to the most difficult question that any couple, any married couple, I guess any couple, the most difficult question that any married couple comes across. What's for dinner? So I made sausage and peppers and pasta, like penne pasta, for Danny. And for me, I'm making just my regular pasta, and I'm finishing off my bowl of vodka sauce that I've been eating for the past couple of days. So, but this looks good. And this is just like sausage, just cut sausage, penne pasta, a couple different kinds of peppers, just regular sweet peppers and bell peppers, and a little bit of regular pasta sauce. And that's really about all that's in that. It smells really good. So hopefully Danny likes it. Alright, so because of my high blood pressure, I now have to take my blood pressure twice a day. I don't know if I've shown this one before, but you just hit the button and it turns on and it goes. And it's on my arm. So anyway, once I have my blood pressure taken, I have an app, which is really cool. And it tells me what my blood pressure is. And then it'll tell me like the patterns that it's done. So this is over a week, and I just started using this again, but so it'll track it and it's really cool. So now I have to do this 2 times a day. So yeah. Alright guys, Say good night. We're gonna go to bed. Say bye. Good night.